Minasan. So today we are again back with 12 kanji letters which we will learn today. So we begin with the kanji for big or large. So first stroke, second stroke, third stroke. First stroke, second stroke, third stroke. So this is basically the reading will be O as in Oki for big, or it will be in Onyomi it is Dai as in Daigaku. So this we have already learned earlier, but today we want to begin with small, so we thought of beginning with big. So this is big, this is small, just the opposite. So 3 grains of rice or 3 grains of sand, and that makes this kanji for small. So this is chisai, chisai, which is small, the adjective for small. Then we have right and left. After big and small we have right and left. So right is, this is the right hand side. So first stroke, second stroke, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So as you can say, this is kuchi, the mouth or opening radical. So this is kuchi. One more time, first stroke, second stroke, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So this is migi, migi, which means right hand side. Similarly we have for left hand side like this. So first stroke, second stroke, third stroke, fourth stroke and fifth stroke. So this is hidari. So migi and hidari. So this is hidari. Then we have top and bottom, that is above and below. So first let's draw the kanji for above or top. So first stroke, second stroke and third stroke. Very easy. First stroke, second stroke and third stroke. So this is ue, as you already know. So this is ue. So as we say, teburu no ue ni hon ga arimasu, that is there is a book on the table, or teburu no tsukue no ue ni pen ga arimasu, there is a pen on the desk. Now this is above. So as you can see how this is above, because this is the ground and this is above the ground, so that's why it's above. Similarly we have for down, second stroke and third stroke, first stroke, second stroke and third stroke. So this is the ground and this is behind the ground or behind the reference line. So this is shita, shita. It is shita, but it is pronounced as shita. So this is below or down or under. Then we have the kanji for leg or foot. So very interesting. Again we have this kuchi radical here. First stroke, second stroke, third stroke, fourth stroke, fifth, sixth and seventh, like this. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. So this is ashi. Ashi is leg or foot. Then we have stand up or to rise. So first stroke, second stroke, third, fourth and fifth. One more time, first, second, third, fourth and fifth. So this is your tatsu, tatsu or ritsu in onyomi. So this is to rise or to stand up. Then we have stop. So you have seen this symbol everywhere in Japan. So this is the stop sign in Japanese. So in roads especially you will see a lot of these in the parking spaces and everywhere. So just carefully notice, observe the strokes, stroke order, because now we start from the right hand side. First stroke, second stroke, third stroke and fourth stroke. So this is similar to the above, this one. So same as this, and this is the additional part, as you can see. So it is very, very similar to this. So this and this are until here. This is the kanji for above, and we have additional one line which makes it stop or halt. So this is to ma ru, to stop. So that means this is a verb. As it ends in ru, so it is a verb. And then we have another very similarly looking kanji. So in this practice exercise, we always try to group together similar looking kanjis. So again, first stroke, second stroke, third stroke, fourth stroke and fifth stroke. This is the order. But here you can see this portion is the same as this portion, and here this portion is the same as this portion. So above, stop and correct. These three kanjis are very, very similar to one another. So let's try one more time. First stroke, second stroke, third stroke, fourth stroke and fifth stroke. In this way, this kanji will be drawn, and this kanji is for correct. And the reading is tadashi. So again, this is an adjective. So that's why it ends in E. Ta, da, shi, E. So this is tadashi, which means correct. Then we have two more kanjis for today. One is for writing before or past. So observe the stroke order: first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. One more time: first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So by practice it will come in shape. So as you can see, my shapes are not that very nice, but the more you practice, the better you will get with all this. But one thing is sure, that you must follow the stroke order so that you get the correct shape of this kanji. So this is nothing but saki, sa, ki. There are many readings of each of these characters. We have just taken a handful of them, the more popular ones or the more frequently used ones. Otherwise, every kanji character has a lot many readings in both kunyomi and onyomi. The last but not the least of today's list is spirit or mind. This kanji you will come across a lot everywhere. So first stroke, second stroke, third stroke, which is little smaller. Then we have the fourth stroke like this all together, then this, and finally this. So first stroke, second stroke, third stroke, fourth stroke, fifth stroke and sixth stroke. So this is ki and also K sometimes. So the reading key is associated with so many things like the tree and several other things. So readings may be same, but the symbol is different. So that the symbol makes the difference. So friends, so that's all for today. We have practiced so many kanji characters today. So this is a snapshot of that which we have studied today, and I hope this has been useful to you, and you will also practice in your notebook just like this. You can make a kanji practice notebook altogether, a separate notebook, and you can start practicing like this. Like you can take 10 or 12 kanjis per day and keep practicing, and you can repeat the practice. It's not that you will just practice one character just single time, but after every n number of days you can repeat so that you don't forget them. So that's it for now, friends. I will see you again in the next practice video. Till then, arigato gozaimasu. Mata imasho.